Tired of creating AI card sets that just don't work? Often, AI-generated decks suffer from clashing styles, inconsistent colors, and mismatched backs, leaving you with unsellable files. It's time to move past the frustration of the AI deck collapse. Meet Arcana Deck AI, the one-click solution for your design needs. With locked styles, consistent borders, and uniform quality from card 1 to 22, this tool eliminates the need for complex prompting. Get professional, print-ready results with a single click. Who is this for? Whether you are an Etsy seller looking for instant digital delivery, a KDP publisher expanding your catalog, or a creator making custom physical gifts, Arcana Deck AI is the ultimate tool. Capture high demand in a low-competition market with excellent profit margins. Build a product empire from a single theme. Use your core deck design to create diverse assets, including printable decks for Etsy, KDP fussy-cut books, wall art posters, and guided journals. It is the ultimate multi-SKU strategy. Your production line includes everything you need. Generate perfect 22-card major Arcana decks, access 14 luxury styles, and produce print-ready files with 300 DPI precision. Plus, you get a full commercial license to start selling on Etsy and KDP immediately. Stop wasting thousands on artist fees. Claim your Arcana Deck AI production line today. As an exclusive bonus, you will receive the Arcana Mystic Planner to help organize your projects. Start building your business now with our 14-day money-back guarantee.